iPad.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna have a sausage.
Yes. The roast is cooking in the slow cooker. We are now making
A breakfast sausage.
oh yeah. All right, let's jump on here.
That's a target.
Gather all ingredients, which is...
I love cake pops.
She does. All right. We got
Here we go.
deer burger. So
That was
get a
deer
bowl.
burger. Target. I could do this.
Whoops. Whoops.
See guys, I can do it. Ba, 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 ba.
All right. This.
We're making a breakfast
Brown.
sausage.
And some brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Okay, don't need this one.
Sure. That is my first.
Yeah, we'll need that.
Yeah.
Okay. Dry sage. I just got some. Ground sage. Red pepper flakes. Red pepper flakes. And black pepper. Check. Okay. You know what? The meat eater one had way more stuff. I am just going to chop it up, yada yada, we're all past that.
Da da. Da 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 da. Da da.
Mix the salt, herbs, garlic, and pepper. Okay. So, let's start with 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Whoopsie. Oh. All right, I'm Harper. Let's go back over to there where we were before. Please hold. All right, you want to stand up or you want to sit?
I'm gonna sit.
Okay. So let's start with deer burger. Okay.
Da da.
Boop. Plop it in. All right. Some brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Can I taste them?
Eh, you can't really taste anything. If you can, but that's too much. Where am I at? Jeez, I'm all over the place.
Does it taste yummy?
Yes. Hold that. All right. Get a scoop. No. No. Don't eat it. You just need to add it in. There you go. No, you're gonna try to eat it. Okay. That's good there. Let's add some broke the bag. Fresh sage. I've only got ground. Damn. We'll do the 1 tablespoon fresh thyme. Just went and bought this morning. How much? 1 tablespoon. Let's see that. Done. 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes. Red pepper. Look at you go. All right, let's see that. Go ahead. Good. Oh, actually, we need 2 of brown sugar. All right, 1 more scoop of that. Oh, you're gonna need a little more. Come on, scoop it. There you go. Perfect. Thought they said cayenne pepper. All right. Good. I don't want to use minced garlic. Not for my sausage. Red pepper, black pepper.
That was so funny. I almost spilled it.
2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons of black pepper. All right. Just. That's good. Go ahead. Let's do 1 more. Little bit. All right. And then. A bit of salt. Hold it flat. There you go. Little bit of salt. Boop. 1 more. Hold it flat, baby. There you go. Okay. And red pepper.
Is this
Forgot.
yours?
Yeah,
Will it taste good?
I hope so. All right, now I think all right, so what we're gonna do is use a little bit of sage. What's the matter with you?
Nothing.
Are you bored?
No. Yummy, Can I smell it? Ew.
Think that's it. Now we mix. Nope.
Oh.
Mix time. So go ahead. I'll help you. Actually, you want to use your hands?
No.
No?
I mean, yeah.
Or we could put it in a mixer. Should we put it in the big mixer?
Yeah.
Break out the beast. All right, Harper, you want to scoot on over here? All right, let's use let's use this one to mix it with. We are making a mess, but you know what my mom always says?
What?
You're supposed to make a mess when you cook.
Yeah.
Right. You can always clean it up. So we'll get this in here. Then once everything's all mixed together, then we can stop it and then see if we need to add anything else. How's it smell?
Ew.
I don't think it smells good. All right.
Ew. It smells like
Let's
nothing.
put our attachment on. Look. Okay. We had to do a little camera change. Ran out of storage on my other phone. Or on my other camera, which is my phone. So, what are we doing now?
Mix.
Close it. And we mix it up. Maybe we need to use the bigger one, huh? The bigger paddle. Oh yeah, baby. Now we're cooking the big boy. And there we go. Mix it up.
Okay.
Oh, baby. You know I'm ticklish. Nah. Oh.
That's my ear.
Alright, let's see what it looks like. Alright, it'll fall.
Ew!
Let's see. What do we need? Lock it in. Let's see. I think we should add a little bit more brown sugar. Oh, that's a really red bird out there.
Daddy, what
Spoon. Got a teaspoon behind you.
what does that taste like?
This?
Yeah.
I don't know. Brown sugar. Just scoop it. Scoopy. Dump it in. Do another one. And good. Alright, let's give it a sniff test. Okay, let's do... Okay. What are we missing? Here, let's spoon out. Nah, get this. No, we don't need to be messing with all the meat. All right, let's mix it up a little more. We're missing something.
Like making cookies.
Kind of like making cookies. Here, let's put a little bit more sage in there. Spoon! Dump her in.
Dump down.
Is that everything?
Bye-bye.
Good.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah, babe.
Monkey.
Mackie?
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, I see what they're doing. Okay, that's it. All right. Let's mix it up one more time.
Cookies?
That doesn't smell like any cookies I've ever had.
Smells cool. Ew.
All right, so they want us to, let's see. See, here we go. Try it. I want it to be, they want you to lie it out on a sheet and put it in the freezer so it's a little crisp.
Okay.
But do I want to do that?